Introducing Zaga, Pay Your Way to Financial Wellness. Hello, my name is Clement Makolo and I represent Afrinetics, your partner in digital transformation solutions. The problem with savings, spending money and expenses for most low-income earners is that they lack the financial planning skills, the ability to budget and track expenses, the discipline to save, and access to credit, as well as a lack of trust in the outdated stokvel model. The result is that for most, by the third week of the month, they hardly have any money for transport to get to work. Our solution is the Zaga app that offers a 24-hour access to an all-in-one blockchain-based financial wellness platform with the following service: mobile payments, mobile bank accounts, budget and expense tracking, credit scoring, stokvel savings and investment. The word Zaga is slang for money or being financially well off in the South African townships. The ZAR is also the local currency code, hence money goes around. The three pillars of Zaga are mobile payments, credit scoring, stokvel and blockchain, which all gives rise to financial wellness. The South African stokvel market is worth 48 billion rands per year. Our team is diverse and well experienced. We require funding over 3 million, with minimum valuable product at 10 million, salaries at 20 million, marketing costs as 30 million, and the total funding being 50 million rands. Thank you.